A very good morning, dear children. I think you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, in the last class we have started our new chapter number 4, that is the two merchants. Yes children, that is the two merchants. So children, before moving to the next part of the story, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. Okay, so children, what is mean by merchants? Merchant means what? Vyapari. In Kannada you say Vyapari. Yes children, so here Vyapari means a person who buys and sells commodities for profit. Yes children, so the central character of the story are Birbal, a witty Birbal, and two merchants. So children, who is Birbal? Yes, tell me, who is Birbal? Yes, you are right. Birbal was a Hindu advisor in the court of the Mughal emperor. Yes, Birbal was very intelligent. Yes, he was very intelligent. He was Hasyamaya. Hasyamaya. Yes, children, witty means what? Witty means Hasyamaya. Yes, so children, the story is about Birbal and about two merchants. Yes, so children, let's read a story about how Birbal, an advisor in the court of the Mughal emperor, made a man give back what he had borrowed from a friend. So in the last class we have learned that the story is about टू मर्चेंट्स एंड अबाउट अ बिरबल. यस, तो बच्चों इस स्टोरी में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? जो टू मर्चेंट्स हैं वो मर्चेंट्स क्या करते हैं, उसमें से एक जो मर्चेंट होता है उसने कुछ पैसे क्या किए थे, दूसरे मर्चेंट से बोरो किए थे. यस, बोरो करना मीन्स व्हाट चिल्ड्रन? उधार लेना. यस, बोरो करना एरवलू पड़े दीदी. बोरोड मीन्स व्हाट? एरवलू पड़े दीदी. यस, सो कुछ चीज़ें क्या किए थे, उसने बोरो किए थे. तो अब वो क्या कर रहा है, वो रिफ्यूज़ कर रहा है उसको वापस लौटाने के लिए. यस चिल्ड्रन, सो डू यू ऑलवेज रिटर्न व्हाट यू बोरो? व्हाट विल यू डू इफ़ अ फ्रेंड बोरो समथिंग एंड डज नॉट रिटर्न? यस, तो आप क्या करोगे अगर कोई फ्रेंड आपके पास कुछ चीज़ें लिया है और फिर अभी वो क्या कर रहा है, मना कर रहा है कि देखो मैंने तो नहीं लिए, मैं क्यों वापस दूँ, मैंने तो नहीं लिए थे, तुमने मुझे कब दिया? अगर ऐसे वो तुमसे पूछेगा तो उस टाइम पे तुम क्या करोगे? यस, व्हाट विल यू डू चिल्ड्रन? टेल मी. इफ़ योर फ्रेंड बोरो समथिंग एंड डज नॉट रिटर्न इट, यस, यू विल रिमाइंड योर फ्रेंड. क्या आप उसको बोलोगे नहीं मैंने तो तुम्हें तब दिया था? यस, आप क्या करोगे? लेट्स सी व्हाट Birbal do. Okay, so here children, let's read a story about how Birbal, an advisor in the court of the Mughal emperor, made a man give back what he had borrowed from a friend. Okay, so now children, open your English textbook, page number 40. So children, I will read this. Listen to me carefully and put your finger on the line where I am reading. And children, as I always say, when we are reading something new, we came across with many new words. Yes, so what you have to do, you have to underline those words and you have to write its meaning. Is that clear? Okay, so children, see here in the first box. Okay, Birbal was known for his keen intelligence, fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. Birbal was known for his keen intelligence, fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. Citizens seeking justice often came to Birbal, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. So children, Birbal, look at this picture. Yes, he is Birbal. Okay, so children, Birbal was known for his keen intelligence. So now Birbal and हम बिरबल को कैसे याद करते हैं? फॉर हिज कीन इंटेलिजेंस. यस, तो वो क्या था बच्चों? बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट था. यस, एंड फेयर माइंडेडनेस. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज मीन बाय फेयर माइंडेडनेस? Fair mindedness means ability to treat everybody equally. Means ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನತೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡೋದು. ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸಮಾನತೆಯಿಂದ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಫೇರ್ माइंडेडनेस means ability to treat everybody equally means वो हर किसी को क्या करता था? अमीर गरीब छोटा बड़ा सभी को इक्वली ट्रीट करता था. एस, कौन? हु? बिरबल. यस, सो बिरबल इसीलिए जाना जाता है फॉर उसकी प्रॉक्सिमिटी के लिए. प्रॉक्सिमिटी मीन्स क्लोजनेस एंड जो वो क्या था? अकबर से बहुत ही क्लोज था और फेयर माइंडेडनेस था, मीन्स एबिलिटी टू ट्रीट एवरीबडी इक्वली, yes, for his keen intelligence. Yes, children. So Birbal was known for his keen intelligence, fair-mindedness, and proximity to the emperor. Yes. So citizens seeking justice often came to Birbal, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. तो बच्चों जो भी अभी देखो, yes, in the court first there were only courts, means जो राजा होते थे या फिर जो किंग होते थे वही क्या करते थे, जो अपने प्रजा के लिए जस्टिस करते थे, मीन्स उन्हें इंसाफ दिलाते थे, उन्हें जस्टिस दिलाते थे और ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಯಾರು, ಕಿಂಗ್ರು. ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಯಾರು, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅವರು. ಎಸ್. So children, justice often came to Birbal, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. So when Akbar was not in city, so all the citizens seeking justice often came to Birbal, yes, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. Is that clear? So in the first box, what we have learned? We have learned that Birbal was known for his keen intelligence and for his fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. So citizens means ಅದು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎಂಪ್ರರ್ದು ಅದು ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾರು, ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ದ ಎಂಪ್ರರ್, ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಸೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಫನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಬಿರ್ಬಲ್, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸಿಟಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಎಸ್. So children, now before moving to the next part, let's learn some new words and its meaning. Okay. So here, look here. Fair-mindedness. Fair-mindedness means what, children? Ability to treat everybody equally. Means ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನತೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡೋದು, ಯಾರು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್, ಯಾರು ಬಡವರಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ability to treat everybody equally. Yes. So he is known for his fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. So here children, what is meant by proximity? Proximity means closeness. Yes. Proximity, what means children? Proximity means closeness. Then what is resolve a dispute? Yes. Here one more new word is there, resolve a dispute. So means solve or end of fight. Dispute means एक झगड़ा. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಏನಂತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? झगड़ा. एस. सो रिसॉल्व अ डिस्प्यूट, सॉल्व और एंड ऑफ फाइट. एस. रिसॉल्व करना मीन्स उसको रिसॉल्व करना. एस. देन हुजूर. व्हाट इज मीन बाय हुजूर चिल्ड्रन? हुजूर मीन्स अ पर्सन विथ रिस्पेक्ट. वी कॉल्ड इट a person with respect, we call huzur. Yes, I hope you are getting my point. So children, as we all know that Birbal was a advisor in the court of Mughal emperor. Yes, so he is known for his keen intelligence and for his fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. Yes. Now children, in one particular instance, Birbal was trying to resolve a dispute between two merchants. Yes. So here, now look at in this second box. Yes. So children, in one particular instance, Birbal was trying to resolve a dispute. As we all know, resolve a dispute means solve or end a fight between two merchants. So as I say children, merchant means what? Merchant means Vyapari. You called it in Kannada Vyapari. Yes. So Vyapari means what? Means a person who buys and sells commodities for profit. Okay. So in one particular instance, Birbal was trying to resolve disputes between two merchants. Okay. Here look at this picture. Here we can see a picture of a, yes children, here we can see picture of a Birbal and picture of one of a merchant. Yes. So the central characters of the story are Birbal and the two merchants. Yes. So here look at this, look at in this picture. So the Birbal said, so you have no proof of what you are saying. Yes, Ramchand. Yes children. So the Ramchand is a name of a merchant, one of a merchant. Okay. So the Ramchand is a name of one of the merchant. So the merchant said, "No, Huzur." Then see, "No return receipts for the 1500 rupees that you say you lent your friend Jwala Prasad, and no witness to the transaction." Yes? So children, तो अब क्या करता है, जो ज्वाला प्रसाद और रामचंद, yes, Ramchand and Jwala Prasad are the two merchants. Okay, so the dispute arose between Ramchand and Jwala Prasad. Who is Ramchand and Jwala Prasad? Who is Ramchand and Jwala Prasad, children? Ramchand and Jwala Prasad are the two merchants. Okay, so Ramchand came to Birbal and he says that Jwala Prasad has borrowed 1500 rupees from me and now he is refusing. Yes, so the Birbal said, "Okay, so no return receipts for the 1500 rupees that you say you lent your friend Jwala Prasad. Yes, and you no witness the transaction." तो ये क्या बोलता है, बिरबल क्या बोलता है, अच्छा तो तुमने क्या किए थे, 1500 रुपीज़ क्या किए थे, अपने फ्रेंड ज्वाला प्रसाद को दिए थे, और जब उसने वो पैसे दिए तब कोई भी वहाँ पे विटनेस नहीं था और उसने क्या किया, कुछ भी एक साइन भी नहीं दिया. यस, सो नो रिटर्न रिसीप्ट्स फॉर द 1500 रुपीज़ दैट यू से यू लेट योर फ्रेंड ज्वाला प्रसाद एंड नो विटनेस टू द ट्रांसैक्शन. यस, सो अभी जो ज्वाला प्रसाद है उसने क्या किया, रामचंद से कुछ पैसे बोरो किए. कितने पैसे बोरो किए, 1500 रुपीज़. यस, नाउ ही इज रिफ्यूजिंग. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास लेट्स सी how Birbal made a man give back what he had borrowed from a friend. Okay children, in the next class we will see. So children, till then stay home, stay safe and write the meaning of these new words. Okay, bye bye.